Honourable Speaker, we must note that with 2 quarters of the financial year already passed, the North West Government missed critical opportunities to build public trust and demonstrate unqualified progress. It is imperative that urgent action be taken to ensure the remainder of the year is defined by visible, measurable progress. In the Department of Education, we acknowledge and welcome the substantial allocation of the 22.9 billion presented by the MEC for the 25-26 financial year. However, with 2 quarters now complete, the public lacks a clear view of how this budget is being transformed into tangible classroom improvements, ensuring the full 22.9 billion yields the results our learners deserve and doesn't just end up being more empty promises. On the Department of Arts, Culture, Sport and Recreation, we commend the department for its successful support of our local athletes at the 2025 Comrades Marathon. Yet, the opportunity to provide the public with a transparent account of the expenditure and outcomes of this event has passed for the first half of the year. With 2 quarters of the year already behind us, we would like to remind this House that the DA will keep a close eye on progress made. The people of North West deserve a government that will not just table empty promises, but will work tirelessly to deliver on every promise and maximize growth and job creation. I thank you.